Hi, I'm Chess Hutchings, and I work for Gordon Incorporated. I've been employed with Gordon for over 26 years and work as an architectural and design solutions executive. My primary responsibility is working with architects and interior designers to assist them with mental health and behavioral health projects around North America. WinLok is a patented metal ceiling and soffit system that offers 100% downward accessibility. The system features a concealed suspension system with snap-up torsion spring panels. Panels provide security to the plenum and are easily removable for access with a special panel removal tool. WinLok ceilings are anti-ligature and provide safety, security, impact resistance, and acoustical performance. WinLok has been fully tested and is an accepted product by New York State Office of Mental Health Patient Safety Standards Guidelines. Panel installation is simple. Attach the panel to the torsion spring plate first with the torsion spring. Next, snap the panel in place. You will notice in the four corners of these panels, there are V-shaped notches in the return legs of the panel. This is where the WinLok spring clips attach to the panel. Position the panel over the WinLok springs, making sure that the V-shaped notches are centered in the clips, and simply push up and snap the panel in place. To remove the panel, the WinLok Security Access tool is utilized. Insert the tool between the panel joints and slide the tool until you locate the WinLok spring clip. You will need one tool for each spring clip. Push up with the tool to engage the panel springs and pull the panel down. We hope you will consider WinLok accessible security ceiling and soffit systems as basis of design for your next mental health project. For more information about WinLok, visit the Gordon website at www.gordon-inc.com or call us at 800-747-8954. Thanks for watching.